Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to program a vehicle to draw a staircase pattern. The pattern is shown here. So vehicle starts from here and it's looking in this direction towards right, and then it goes forward, turns to the left, goes up, turns to the right, again turns to the left, goes up, turns to the right, goes straight, turns to the left, goes up, and then turns and stops looking again towards right as it started. So let's try to do this program. Obviously the first block is going to be curious mind, and we need to set up the vehicle. We need to set up all the motors which vehicle uses. Then if we see here, we need to go forward because it is looking in the right direction and it's moving right. So we need to go forward. So vehicle forward. Let's assume that we have to go for 1 second. So I'll take 1 second here. So from here we have reached here, but we are looking in the right hand side direction. So we need to turn to look up, which means it is a left turn. So we need to turn left, hard left turn. We know for a 90-degree hard left turn, we require 0.3 seconds. So we have now looked up. So we need to now go forward. So again, we have to go vehicle forward for 1 second, and then we reached here. So now we need to look right. So which means we have to take a right turn. So we will take hard right turn. 90 degrees turn, we need 0.3 seconds. Now we are looking here, so we again need to go forward up to this point. We need to go forward again for 1 second. So we reached here, we need to take a left turn so that we look up. So again, we need to take hard left turn, 90 degrees turn, so 0.3 seconds. So we're looking up. Now we need to go up. So again, vehicle forward here. So let me take this up, vehicle forward. It should go for 1 second, which means we have reached here. Now again, it should take a right turn, hard right turn. And 90-degree turn will require 0.3 seconds of wait. So we have taken a right turn. Now we need to go forward, take left turn, go forward, take a right turn. Go forward. Take a left turn. Go forward. And take a right turn. So we have reached here, we are looking in the right direction. Now we need to stop. Vehicle stop. So this is our entire program to make the vehicle move in a staircase pattern. Now let's have a look at this. Here we see a pattern. Forward, left turn, forward, right turn. Again, if I see here, forward, left turn, forward, right turn. Again, if I see here, forward, left turn, forward, right turn, and then vehicle stop. So this means this pattern, forward, left turn, forward, right turn, is repeating 3 times. So we have seen what we need to do is we need to use a repeat command. How many times repeat? 3 times. and after we finish, we stop. So you can see we have reduced the program length by use of repeat, by observing that there is a pattern, understanding the pattern, eliminating redundant blocks of code, and using repeat. Upload this program and try. You will see your vehicle moves in a staircase pattern. There might be issues with the amount of turn. What we need to do is we need to adjust this time 0.3 second here to ensure that we get exactly 90 degrees turn.